Welcome back to MH Car Review. Today we're taking an in-depth look at something absolutely extraordinary that's redefining what luxury transportation can be. This is the 2026 Mercedes recreational vehicle, and trust me when I say this isn't your typical RV. Mercedes-Benz has taken everything they know about luxury sedans and SUVs and transformed it into what might be the most opulent mobile living space ever created. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, this thing is a showstopper. The moment you lay eyes on this beauty, you realize Mercedes hasn't just built an RV, they've created a statement piece on wheels. The front fascia maintains that iconic Mercedes grille we all know and love, but it's been scaled up to match the commanding presence of this massive vehicle. The sleek LED headlights flow seamlessly into the body lines, giving it a futuristic yet sophisticated appearance. What really catches your eye is the stunning pearl white finish that gleams under any lighting condition. The two-tone design with the darker lower section isn't just for show, it actually helps the vehicle appear less bulky while adding a sporty edge. Those custom alloy wheels are absolutely massive, featuring a multi-spoke design that screams premium quality. The aerodynamic body panels have been carefully sculpted to reduce drag, which is incredibly important for a vehicle of this size. Every window is tinted with what appears to be privacy glass, and the sheer number of them tells you this interior is going to be flooded with natural light. The rooftop design is equally impressive, featuring what looks like solar panels integrated seamlessly into the structure, along with multiple roof-mounted air conditioning units to keep every zone perfectly climate-controlled. Now let me tell you about the interior, because this is where Mercedes has truly outdone themselves. Step inside and you're immediately transported into what feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The layout is absolutely ingenious, maximizing every inch of space while never feeling cramped. The living area features premium leather seating that looks like it belongs in a luxury yacht, with heating, cooling, and massage functions built right in. The ambient lighting system can be customized to create any mood you desire, with dozens of color options and intensity settings. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including what appears to be a full-size refrigerator, a multi-burner cooktop, a convection microwave, and plenty of storage space with soft-close drawers and cabinets. The countertops look like genuine stone or high-quality composite material. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, you'll find a master bedroom that rivals luxury hotel accommodations, complete with a premium mattress, built-in wardrobes, and its own entertainment system. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full shower, modern fixtures, and again, that attention to detail Mercedes is famous for. Throughout the entire interior, you'll notice premium materials everywhere you look: real wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, soft-touch surfaces, and that signature Mercedes build quality. The entertainment system appears to be state-of-the-art, with multiple screens throughout the vehicle and what's likely a premium sound system that would make any audiophile jealous. Let's talk performance, because despite its size, this Mercedes RV is built on a platform that delivers. While specific engine specifications weren't immediately visible, given Mercedes' recent push toward efficiency and sustainability, this likely features either a powerful diesel engine or possibly a hybrid powertrain. Mercedes has extensive experience with their Sprinter platform, and this appears to be a heavily modified and upgraded version of that proven system. The suspension setup is undoubtedly sophisticated, probably featuring air suspension that can adjust ride height and comfort levels depending on road conditions and loading. The driving position is elevated, giving you excellent visibility, and you can bet the cockpit is loaded with the latest driver assistance technologies. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and probably even automated parking features. The steering and handling are engineered to make this massive vehicle feel as manageable as possible, though at this size, you're definitely going to want some practice before hitting narrow European streets. Now, about the pricing. This is where things get serious, folks. A vehicle like this doesn't come cheap. Based on what we're seeing and comparing it to similar luxury RV conversions, you're looking at a starting price somewhere in the range of $350,000 to $500,000, possibly even more depending on customization options. And trust me, with Mercedes, there will be plenty of options. Want upgraded upholstery? That's extra. Premium entertainment packages. Add more. Custom paint schemes. You guessed it. High-end customers might push the final price well beyond $500,000 once they've added all their desired features. But here's the thing, for that money, you're getting unparalleled luxury, German engineering at its finest, and a vehicle that will turn heads everywhere you go. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. This is for the discerning buyer who wants to travel in absolute comfort without sacrificing any of the luxuries they enjoy at home. So there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes Luxury RV, a vehicle that truly changes everything we thought we knew about recreational vehicles. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to MH Car Review for more amazing vehicle content.